and welcome to the Quality Management Training for EverGreen organization. Over the next few minutes, we will discuss quality management, what quality really is, and why it is important to your project. By the end of our training, you will be equipped with the tools you need to practice successful quality management throughout the life of your project. What is quality? Customers know it when they see it, and suppliers promise their goods and services embody it. Both views are often missing a clear definition of what quality actually is. Quality can be defined as products, processes, services, features, and characteristics working together to meet or exceed requirements. But it is ultimately our customers and stakeholders who define the requirements for quality. So why is quality important? Customer satisfaction is the most important benefit to quality management. When we meet and exceed these expectations, we produce repeat customers. Satisfied customers are more likely to refer other potential customers, which can lead to more sales. Now that we know how quality is defined and why it's important, what is quality management? The PMBOK Guide for Project Managers defines quality management as the key element of project management. It is a simple concept. It involves carrying out a project through its 4 phases: concept, development, execution, and finish, with 0 deviations from the project specifications. Remember, a well-executed quality management process should mitigate any quality issues on the customer's end. Quality management processes are broken down into naturally progressing steps. Like any process in a project, we start with planning. Quality planning is foundational to the project plan to catch and fix mistakes and issues at the beginning of the project, rather than facing issues on the customer's end. We tend to jump to quality control when thinking about quality management, but quality assurance should be seen as a bridge between quality planning and quality control. Quality assurance continuously looks back to review the plan while looking forward to controlling issues on the customer's end. Quick tip from Kenneth Rose PMP. It may be advantageous for project teams to craft their own individual quality management plans that best conform to their projects. Quality control is an action process in which the project team looks at the results and determines necessary corrective actions. As mentioned on the previous slide, quality assurance is the bridge between planning and quality control. The results of your quality control measures will tell you if you're adequately planning for quality and performing assurance measures during the entire process. You will see that we keep coming back to the customer during training, because customer satisfaction is determined by meeting their quality requirements. Planning for product quality means keeping the customer and stakeholders in mind. This is why we perform quality assurance and quality control activities. Rose reminds us the contract is awarded by the paying customer is the most obvious source of our quality requirements. It is always easier to prevent issues before they happen than fix them after the fact. By taking the time to identify and prevent risks at an early stage, the cost of quality can be reduced and the chances of meeting the deadline can be increased. It is important to include continuous improvement in our quality management concept because it is the basis of our work, the how for our sustained success as you continue to launch more projects as an organization. Continuous improvement means that as we close out each project, we evaluate our processes to ensure that the next one will be more efficient and successful. Let's discuss the role of management. Program and project manager roles can be very different, so we will stick to the role of project manager. The project manager's role is to deliver the project within the cost and schedule constraints. The management's role on the project is to facilitate the work of a team with the goal to achieve the objectives set by the customers and stakeholders. The project management process uses tools and techniques to fulfill project requirements and quality criteria. Be aware that some project management methods might need to be tailored to the needs of the individual project. A successful project manager will apply their tools with efficiency. This helps the individual or group and companies, both public and private, execute their projects with more predictability. It also increases the quality and success of their products. When management roles are applied without careful thought, risk is increased to every part of the project. The probability of missing deadlines and failing to obtain objectives becomes much more likely. As project managers, we have tools at our disposal that help us gather and analyze information about our project. Graphs are one of 7 basic tools. The purpose of a graph is to organize, summarize, and display data, usually over time. There are 4 steps involved when preparing a graph. Define events and data, design the graph, collect the data, and then enter the data. The most popular graph in project management is a line graph, also called a burn chart. Fun fact, the name burn chart is used because it shows how the money for the project is being used, and in other words, burned up. A great tool for project managers to analyze their collected data is a control chart. Control charts are very powerful tools for monitoring, controlling, and improving processes over time. Control charts are the voice of the process and speak volumes of useful information. They disclose the nature of variations in the process, they indicate what should be expected, and indicate what lies outside those expectations. Control charts use sample data to generalize about a population. Small amounts of data, properly selected, can provide sufficient information to make process decisions. We truly hope you gained valuable information from this training module. The key points we want you to take away from our time together are: remember that quality is a key aspect of the management process. Continuously improve these processes to increase quality. Apply your management skill with efficiency. Utilize the many tools at your disposal to improve your processes. And be flexible. Your project and teams will thank you for it. Thank you for your participation in this training module. We hope you have gained confidence and knowledge in the tools, foundations, and importance of quality we have provided you today. For other training and seminar opportunities, please contact our program manager. Thank you.